Fiction and fantasy stories. Jinn that helped an old lady. Once there was a lady and she was a midwife. She helps in delivering babies and it almost years gone and passed away. But now she became old and she has got blur visions, which she can't see properly. So the people who seek help from her were avoiding her and sending away with no reason. The old lady knew that because of her eyesight, no one was calling to deliver their pregnant wives. So the old lady felt dejected and went home back. She has a son who was an idler, the person who avoids work or spends time in an aimless or lazy way. Ask her for money to go and bring, but she answered that from now on you should go and earn because now your mother became too old and everyone are avoiding her due to this sight. Nowadays my eyes I am unable to see properly. As soon as her son heard this, he abused her and went away. The old lady was crying whole night and in the morning someone called her for help to deliver a baby and the pregnant lady was crying in pain. So she went there and again the same as usual. She was not allowed to do so because of her eyesight. On the way to home, she found a cat and it's pregnant. She said, if you were a human, I would take a part as a midwife and help you in delivering a baby. But what to do? You are an animal. So the old lady felt bad and went back to her home. Again you came empty handed? Son replied. Yes, today also nothing. And from now onwards you should take care of everything. And your mother also became old. Now she cannot work. Please understand this, my son. So that night, someone knocking at the door, and she called out her son to look who is at the door. But her son busied himself and sleeping. So the old lady got up and she opened the door. She saw a big and tall man covered in veil with huge body. Asks the old lady, are you a midwife who delivers babies? Then the old lady replied, yes, it's me. By seeing the person, she felt terrorized and scared and turning back to seek help from her son because of fear. But her son was full on and sleeping happily. Then the stranger said, my wife is crying in pain and her water broke. Please come and help. Then, with no other choice, the old lady has to agree with that and she has to go with him. And the stranger, he brought a horse cart along with him. He took the old lady to his home. On the way to home, the old lady was shivering with fear and they crossed the town and they were going into a thick forest where she won't find any person. So this old lady was too scared and finally they reached to that place. And it's a wretched mansion and it's confirmed that a stranger who was a jinn. She felt really so scared. And this old lady and that jinn, the stranger, they entered into the mansion. And all the people who are there were very tall and big. and very fearful. They all are covered with veil, and they are surrounded around the lady. And next to her, there were jinn ladies, and this old lady was really scared. When she came near to that pregnant jinn lady, the old lady started her job to deliver the baby. So she asked everyone to go out so that she can deliver. And after a long time, the lady jinn delivered 4 babies. And the old lady congratulated her for healthy 4 babies. Then the jinn lady replied, "Do you remember me? On the way to home, you stopped at me and said, if you are a human, I would deliver you. I'll help you in delivering your baby. So I am that cat and ask my husband to bring you for delivery." "Oh, it's you, the cat on the way I met. Okay, good. Okay then, shall I leave now? My son is at home and will be worrying. So I should be before morning dusk." "Certainly," the lady jinn replied. "My husband will drop you to home." "Never mind," the old lady said. "I can go by myself." "No, nothing doing. My husband will drop you," the jinn lady said, and the old lady thought to herself that it's not a good idea to make them angry. And she greeted the stranger that his wife has delivered 4 healthy babies. So, for this good news, the stranger presented her a bag full of hard materials to the old lady. The old lady refused it first, but after insisting, she took, and she felt that it's looking like a rock and it's very heavy to carry. What days have come? Now I am receiving stones and rocks, and she is cursing herself. On the way to home, the old lady was throwing those rocks from the bag out of the bag, and the stranger, the jinn, saw this and asked, "What are you doing?" And she stopped. The jinn, the stranger, he knew that this lady was throwing his gift. So after reaching home, the old lady threw the bag on the bed and went back to sleep. The next day morning, she woke her son and asked him to throw the stones and rocks outside the house and said, "Yesterday you were in deep sleep, and Jinn came to our house to seek help for delivering his wife and asked for me. So I did, and in return he presented these rocks and stones. So go and throw these stones and rocks outside." Then when her son saw those on bed, he shouted, "Mom, it's diamonds and not rocks. Where you throwed the rest?" The old lady replied, "God, I thought it's rocks and stones. I throwed it on the way." And when her son went back to find out, but he returned empty handed. The old lady said, "It's okay. At least we have these." And after a few days later, the lady jinn came and left a bag near the old lady's house and disappeared in disguise of a cat. When the old lady came out and saw a bag with diamonds which she thrown, felt very happy that these jinns are much more like humans. These jinns also has a gratitude, and they were real and good jinns. If you like for further stories, please like, share, and subscribe.